Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Kaspersky free antivirus on your Windows 11 computer. So this will apply for other earlier versions of Windows as well, such as Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And you want to go ahead and search for Kaspersky free antivirus. Go ahead and select the download free antivirus that's attached to the Kaspersky page. So it should say kaspersky.com, so go ahead and select that. Select the download now button. You're going to have to scroll down on this page and select the download now button. Then go ahead and open that up. Select the correct installation language and then continue. And then select continue. You can minimize out of your web browser too. And if you want to participate in the Kaspersky security network, you can keep that check marked, otherwise unselected. Same thing with the Kaspersky password manager. And then select install. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Okay, so now you have some additional options here, such as turning on protection against ads. You can keep that checkmarked. Delete malicious tools, adware, auto dialers, and suspicious packers. I'm going to keep that checked as well. Detecting other software that can be used by criminals to damage your computer or personal data. I don't see a problem with that. So I'm going to keep that check marked and take a tour through the application features. I'm going to uncheck that option and select apply. You can pick or choose whatever options work for you guys and go ahead and select done. Should launch the Kaspersky application here. And you go ahead and insert your email address or some email address to go ahead and create an account. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.